Hey guys, so I thought I'd do a quick review and unboxing of a Gerber Quadrant knife. It's a 2.75-inch knife, and it's relatively inexpensive. You can get it ranges from $25 to $35, depending on where you get the knife. I personally got this at Amazon. I got it on sale for I think it was $26, and it's 2-day shipping, so you get it relatively quick. So it's a very unique knife, a conversation starter, because you don't see these straight edged knives that much. And I'll just unbox it for you guys. Pardon me, I'm having a little trouble. Let me just get a quick knife. There you go. And this was really in there. There you go. There's a little protection. And it's a cool knife. Let's see the frame lock. See how quick it. Oh, there you go. See, there's one issue that people had with this knife that I've kept reading, was that it was pretty inconsistent to open. See, there you go. Yep. I don't know if it's depending on where you buy it, or it just depends on which one you get. See, there you go. See, so I don't know what I read. A couple of places that you're supposed to loosen or tighten one of these screws, and that helps you release it quicker. So yeah. Well, I'm guessing you have to go like that, flip it upwards. So we'll see. Compared to another knife, see, you got this curve shot. It's like a $10-15 knife, and you see the difference. It should work. I'm not sure why it doesn't. You have to flip it back. So yeah, I'll try to see a review of see if I can get it to work personally, because it's just weird considering this one opens up right away and this one you have to go like that. So I'll check in and see if I can make this work. Thanks for watching.